my favorite Clinton Cougars, first graders. Woohoo! We're going to do one more plants and animal job, but this one is all about plants. So I would love for you to please find your science book with our Fuzzy Wuzzy bear. Yeah, I know. I said, get that bad boy. I said that a lot in class. I more like, get that book. Just go find that science book. And you're going to find page 83 for me. But while you find page 83, in your book has a super fun idea you could do at home where you would need some paper and maybe a pencil or a marker to trace your foot or your hand. So you could trace your hand on there and then go ask somebody else in your house and trace their hand and look at what's different about it. My class already have traced their hand before, so they're getting to be really good at that job. And I bet you probably have traced your hand before too, because all first graders do a lot of the similar, like a lot of similar activities. So check out, maybe you could do that with your brother too, or a lot of you have baby brothers too, or baby sisters, where you could trace their hand and then your hand, and then talk about what might be different between the two. So when we finish, if you want something extra fun to do, like a little bit of craft time, that would be awesome for you to give a try to. But right now, remember you're finding page 83, and let's read about plants together. I'm going to head there. If you're looking for picture clues to find a page, there are beautiful, colorful flowers. Then there are purple flowers on the side, and then there are some little girls that are doing that measuring I told you about. Big colorful flowers, purple flowers on the side, and two kids doing some measuring by tracing their feet, where I suggested you trace your hand later. All right, let's go to page 83, please, and thank you. Here it is. Kinds of plants. Are you ready? Do you have something to find the title? And I am going to fold it so it's even easier to read. Kinds of plants. Yeah, let's get the title. And I am using a marker. You should probably use a crayon because then it doesn't go through your paper. Plants live all around the world. Plants of one kind are like. Petunias are a kind of plant. Oh, I planted those on my porch this year. I can make a connection. However, if you know me, mine were not purple, they were pink. Petunias all have fuzzy green leaves. Plants of one kind are different too. Look at the picture. Okay, use your observing eyes. See if you can find the difference. I think it's going to ask us. One petunia plant has pink flowers. The other petunia plant has purple flowers. Look very closely. Now we are supposed to compare and contrast. Remember, it's like similar and differences that we're looking for, similarities. Tell how petunias are alike. Write how these petunias are different. Okay, so tell means let's talk about how they are alike. What do you notice? Yeah, they both have green leaves. I sure do. Now tell me something says how are they different? What's different? And use your attentoscopes or your observing eyes to figure this out. That's called pink. This is called purple. They are different colors. So write how the petunias are different. So the colors are different, or they are different colors. You want to write they are different colors. Okay, they, capital T, H, E, Y. They are, fingers in, the little spaceman or spacewoman, are, A, R, E. They are different. I love using all of my reading clues to help me spell when I don't know how to spell something. And I like that different is right here because that's what I need to spell. Okay, space friend in, different. D, I, F, F, E, R, E, N, T. They are different colors. Now, yep, I ran out of room, but that's okay. I'm a problem solver. Draw an extra line and we're going to write colors. C, C, O, O, L, O, O, S. They are different colors. Nice work. Okay, let's turn the page. Oh my goodness, we get to read about giraffes. It's like best day ever. I have a lot of best days ever in first grade. Kinds of animals. Yep, let's find the title because nonfiction, which is all about science, has lots of facts and lots of titles. Animals of one kind are alike. Giraffes are a kind of animal. This picture shows a herd of giraffes. Oh, a herd, and I like that they bolded it and highlighted it to say, hey, this is important, is a group of animals of one kind that stays together. Giraffes have 4 legs and 2 eyes. Oh, that's kind of like my dog. Giraffes have spots. Underline one way giraffes are alike. Okay, let's see. Think about how they are alike. They have spots. Oh, okay, they have spots. All right, I'm going to underline that last line that says they have spots. It says draw a giraffe in the herd. So this is something you could do later because I just have my marker handy. Draw a giraffe in there. And I could sketch it real quick, but look, you're going to want a tall giraffe with ears and then a tail, kind of like Marshana's long tail, and legs. So I sketched it quick, but you're going to want to go back and add color to yours. Yep. Thank you. Good job. Okay. Different animals of one kind, which means like different kinds of them. Yeah. Oh my goodness, you're telling me, Mrs. Jones, don't forget the title. Okay. Or when they're on all those other ones, they call them headings too. I've been referring to them as titles as we learn what those are. And then we start to say, oh, well, there's headings in the book too. So animals of one kind are different too. Some giraffes have darker spots than others. Some giraffes have longer necks than others. Oh, that's interesting. Giraffes with longer necks can reach leaves on tall trees. Short giraffes cannot reach as high. Oh, look, they're going to give us a crossword. And when we do crosswords, these are kind of tricky for me because it's hard for me to remember where all the letters go, but I'm going to give it a try. Fill in these words, long, spots, and short. So blank giraffes cannot reach as high. Oh yeah, it's short. So the word is short. So we're going to find number 1. Here's number 1. And we're going to write short. S-H-O, keep going, R-T, go across. Now I'm going to cross it off because we just did that. And I'm going to cross off short because we just did that. You got it. Blank necks help giraffes reach leaves. Where, yes, some of you just yelled long necks. Here it is. And we're going to go to number 2 and write long. L-O-N-G. All right, I did long and I did number 2. How about number 3? Blank on some giraffes are darker. There's only one. Yes, spots is the last one. Let's do it on number 3. S-P-O-T-S, spots. You did great. Now, if you want to do something fun extra, remember you could trace your hands and then trace another person's hands at your house and talk about how they're different. There's also, it says, ooh, a lightning lab. Find 2 of the same kind of plant or animal and tell how they're alike. So that's the opposite of doing the difference. Find a way they're alike. You choose. I loved learning about plants and animals with you. You did great. I will talk to you later. Miss you, love you. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.